Hi everyone, this is Terra. I just wanted to show you what TweetDeck looks like and how you can use it, some of the basic features just to help you find what you want to find on Twitter without having to sort through a long list of tweets just on twitter.com. So let's take a look. First of all, I'm using Chrome and I have used the TweetDeck app in Chrome, and how you find it is to go to the App Store and click on the little shopping bag. And once it opens and you type in TweetDeck, and I've already added it, so see it already says added, but if you have not, then it'll show this little blue free button that you right here, and you can just click it to add. And then to access it, you can click on apps, and then it'll show up down here on all the different apps that you have. And then I've also added a shortcut to my favorites bar using Command D on a Mac or Control D on a PC. So I'm going to go ahead and open my TweetDeck. And you can see I've got several columns here, and these ones are different hashtags that we use for our department. This is one that we use in all of the posts so that we can filter or show the feed that has all of the things that we're posting. This is for the Connected Educator Month, the international one, and then this is our local one for Washoe County School District. And then I have notifications and my home and also our department's home. So anyone that includes our username or is someone that we follow will see their tweets here. So let me show you how to add a column. You can add it through a search. So let's say this is for another class that I'm teaching. Let's say I want to monitor those tweets. So I can do that search for that hashtag and then add the column and see how it puts it down there at the end. If I want to move it, I can just click right here under the number and click it, hold it, and drag it to where I want it to be. Just depends on how current that hashtag is being used for an event or a class or something. If I want to see what a different user is posting, I can come down here to this plus sign, and I can use it for all of these as well, but it's really easy to do the search column just by clicking on the search and then adding it from there. If I want to look at a user, let's say I want to look at the school district's main tweets. And that's their username. So that's the one I want. And let's say I want to just add that column. So again, it puts it at the very end of my columns, and I can move that around. And it seems like you can have pretty much as many columns as you want, but again, you don't want to get too many that you can't monitor. Alright, so let me just show you what I do with TweetDeck. I'm going to go ahead and take this column out. So to do any of that, you click on those two little line things there and just click remove. And how I keep current on what's going on in Connected Educator Month is following this main hashtag here. And I can just look through there and see what other people have shared. And sometimes it's just a post, but other times they share a link. Like here's a link right here. And I can just click on it and see what they have to say or see what they're referencing. So here's this link that someone shared, and I can go through and read it and just get what I want from it. If I like it, I can go down here. If I feel like it's something I want to share with people that follow me, I can retweet it, and this is the retweet button here. If I want to reply to this tweet, I can click that button, and it popped up somewhere. Let me go find it. There it is. So see how it includes everybody. These are all different users, Twitter usernames. It includes everybody that was mentioned. You can take all of those out if you wish, but it's a good idea to leave it just so that it kind of creates its own little conversation. And then you can write what you want, and again, it has the count for how many characters you've used. Remember, you can only do 140. Or I can just favorite it by saying I really, that basically just says I like this resource that you shared. And this is how I send out the Connected Educator and so on. And then I include hashtags for however I want to filter it. So it's nice to just monitor different topics or people. And let's say I wanted to just see what this user is posting. I can click on their name, and I can click on their tweets right here. And if I really like it and want to continue to look at their feed, I can add a column again. So I hope this helps you figure out TweetDeck. Some of the other things you can see on these posts is these 3 dots, which allows you to do some other things. So sending a direct message, following from your different accounts. So if I click on that, whatever accounts I have in TweetDeck, these are going to pop up and say that I'm already following them. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of that. You can also do all these other things as well. I hope this helps you figure out how to get started with TweetDeck, and I'll also include some more resources in the Connected Educator month daily tweet. Thanks.